Now we are going to discuss most repeated questions of NEET. Question first is, which of the following is wrong for fungi? Which of the following is wrong for fungi? Options are, they are eukaryotic, all the fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall, they are heterotrophic, they are both unicellular and multicellular. In fungi, cell wall contains chitin or cellulose along with other polysaccharides, proteins and lipids. Only in some fungi, example Phytophthora or other oomycetes, a purely cellulosic cell wall is present. Hence, only option 2 is wrong. Rest of the options are correct. So, option 2, all the fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall is wrong. Rest of the options are correct. चिटिन क्या है? चिटिन एक केमिकल है, N-acetyl glucosamine. The exoskeleton of insects also contain this chemical. So इंसेक्ट्स के जो एक्सोस्केलेटन है वो कौन सा केमिकल कंटेन करता है? N-acetyl glucosamine. So option 2 is the wrong. Rest of the options are correct. Next question is, methanogens belong to eubacteria. Second option is archaebacteria, dinoflagellates and slime molds. Correct answer is methanogens belongs to archaebacteria. Option 2. It contains 3 major classes of primitive bacteria: methanogens, halophilic and thermoacidophilic. Methanogens are stick anaerobes present in the gut of several ruminant animals, cow, and are responsible for production of methane gas from the dung of these animals. And halophilic bacteria usually occur in salt-rich substrate like salt marshes, etc., and are aerobic chemoheterotrophs. Thermophilic bacteria have the dual ability to tolerate high temperature as well as high acidity. So these are basically chemosynthetic. So option B, methanogens belongs to archaebacteria is the correct answer. Option 2. Next important question is, select the wrong statement. We have 4 options. We have to select the wrong statement. Option 1 is, the balls of diatoms are easily destructible. Diatomous earth is formed by the cell balls of diatoms. Diatoms are chief producers in the ocean. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. Option 1 is the wrong statement. The balls of diatoms are easily destructible. Diatoms are single-celled plant-like protists that produce intricately structured cell balls made up of non-silica SiO2. Thus, the balls are indestructible. Hence, option 1 is wrong and rest of the options are correct. Next important question is, the label of a herbarium sheet does not carry information on. The label of a herbarium sheet does not carry information on. Options are date of collection, name of collector, local names, height of the plant. Correct answer is option 4, height of the plant. Herbarium is a collection of plants that usually have been dried, pressed, preserved plant on sheets and are arranged in accordance with any expected system of classification for future reference and study. It does not have information on height of the plant. So correct answer is option 4. Next important question is, conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environment conditions because of. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, 2016 नीट के एग्जाम में पूछा गया था. Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environment conditions because of. Options are broad hardy leaves, superficial stomata, thick cuticle, the presence of basals. Correct answer is option 3, thick cuticle. Conifers are gymnosperm. Their leaves show xerophytic adaptations. The leaves are like needle with thick-walled single-layered epidermal cells covered with thick cuticle. This enables them to tolerate extreme climate conditions. So option 3 is the correct one. Next important question is, which one of the following statements is wrong? Which one of the following statements is wrong? First is, algae increase the level of dissolved oxygen in the immediate environment. Algin is obtained from red algae and carrageenan from brown algae. Agar-agar is obtained from Galidium and Gracilaria. Laminaria and Sargassum are used as food. So, option 2, allicin extracted from brown algae, example Laminaria etc., is a hydrocolloid used in shaving creams, jellies, flame-proof plastic etc. And carrageenan is extracted from red algae like chondrus and used as emulsifier and clearing agents. Thus, only option 2 is incorrect and all other options are correct. Next important question is, the term polyadelophus is related to. The term polyadelophus is related to. ये क्वेश्चन नीट 2016 में भी पूछा गया था, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. ऑप्शंस आर गाइनोशियम, एंड्रोशियम, कोरेला एंड कैलेक्स. So correct answer is option 2, Androecium. The term polyadelophus is related to the Androecium. In this condition, many stamens are present in more than 2 groups which are separated from each other. So option 2 is correct. Next important question is, radial symmetry is found in the flowers of. रेडियल सिमिट्री इज फाउंड इन द फ्लावर्स ऑफ. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, काफ़ी टाइम रिपीट हो चुका है नीट के एग्जाम में. रेडियल सिमिट्री इज फाउंड इन द फ्लावर्स ऑफ. ऑप्शंस आर ब्रेसिका, ट्राइफोलियम, पाइसम, कैसिया. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1, ब्रेसिका. द ब्रेसिका फ्लावर कैन बी कट इनटू 2 equal halves from any plane, so it shows the radial symmetry. These flowers are referred to as actinomorphic flowers. Other flowers given in the option trifolium, pisum and cassia can be cut into 2 equal halves only at one plane, so they are called zygomorphic flowers. These 3 flowers belongs to family Fabaceae. So the radial symmetry is found in the flower of Brassica.